Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and there's an update once again for security for Google Chrome. We have a lot of these security updates lately for Google Chrome, and so make sure that you update. It is 8 security fixes. All are high severity security fixes. That means they're easy to exploit by hackers. And one of them is actually already known in the wild, so this is really an important thing to do. Make sure that you go and check out if you're updated. A lot of people are asking me why doesn't it update automatically. It does. If you use it every day, it should technically upgrade itself to the latest versions all the time, as it usually does it automatically. Microsoft Edge also does it. So if you want to see if you have the latest version, as of today, Friday, October the 29th, go to the upper right corner, go into Help, into About Google Chrome, and make sure you're at 95.0.4638.69 at least. So like I said, 8 security flaws, high severity security flaws, and they are, one of them is actually exploited in the wild. That means some people out there are already, tricking websites and trying to inject scripts on shady websites, or even emails that might open links, because that sometimes happens is they send you an email. That email contains a link that has the security flaw in it, or the exploit for the security flaw. And when you click and you open Chrome, then you get exploited with the flaws of the browser. So it's extremely important. It's your first line of defense. It's the program you use to go on the web. So, really important to fix this. And forget about antivirus. That's not protecting you from 0 days, from security flaws like these. It's really, really important to update all of the software. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.